In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create new album on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app. Then tap at Albums to go to your albums. And then tap right here at that plus at the very top left corner. That's where you can easily find new album. Just tap on it and then you will be asked to enter a name for this album. I'm just gonna enter Apple Guy and hit it save. On the next step, we will be able to add some photos to the albums we have just created. It will start with recents. And we can in that way add any photos or videos to that album. We can just scroll down until we find all the photos we would like to add. Also, in here we can search by photos, people or places. Let's say I would like to search for all the photos with tattoo. In this way, we can filter all the photos by our search request, and then we can simply by check marking them add that photos to the album. Keep in mind that photos are not actually added yet. We are now just selecting photos to add. We can also go to albums if we would like to add photos from another album. So I can just enter that album and select photos from here. The total number of photos that are currently selected are showing right here at the bottom. Also, from that tab, we can scroll down and filter all our media content by videos, selfies, live photos, portraits, slow-mo, screenshots, and screen recordings. In the same way, we can get into that automatically generated albums and select photos or videos from here. Before adding photos to the album, we can tap at Show Selected to see all the photos and videos we have check marked. If you changed your mind, you can uncheck mark some photo or video that you don't want to add to that album, and then tap at Done. Now guys, to add all the selected content to your album, just hit right here at Add. That will create the album. Here it is, and that's where we can check all the content in that album. To add new photo, tap right here at plus, and in the same way we can add any photo to that album. Also, from here, if we tap at these three dots, we'll be able to share photos, to add new photos, to zoom it in or zoom it out. It means that we can, in that way, change the size of that grid. Also, we can change aspect ratio grid in that way. Also, we can sort photos in the album by oldest to newest, newest to oldest, or custom order. Custom order means that we are able to just drag photos in that way to change their order in our album. We can place it at any position. Also, right there, we can filter photos in that album by favorites, edited photos or videos. We can rename the album, I mean. We can just in that way add or remove some text to the album's name, and it will immediately show you the final result right here. Also, we can generate a slideshow from the photos in that album by hitting right there. That's how you can basically create new album on your iPhone. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.